Hi, welcome to first tutorials on web technologies in that HTML here. So I have few lectures on HTML. So we will do programming on HTML coding. Here, what we have done, I have created one index file page. So just you have to click on this icon and the page will be created, and the first page index.html, and first, I will going to show you the skeleton of this index page. What I will do, we will going to write abbreviation. This is an abbreviation, that is emit abbreviation. When you say exclamatory marks, so all the details which are related to skeleton of that particular HTML will be provided, and hit the tab space. Now you can see another one more time, hit the tab space, and directly you will come to the document. Two times you hit the tab space. Here, I can write some title, something like this. Um, Welcome to, sorry, here I will write, what is that? Welcome to HTML tutorials. Okay. And this is the title data, and these are the tags. And what we will going to do here, so we're going to run this one. How to run is basically what we have to do here. This is our Explorer, and you have to go extensions, and here we have to install live server. So you can see, so this live server we have to install it, uh, and you can run the live server so that you can able to see the data which is available in the code that will be appeared on the web pages using web browsers. Okay, so example you can see here like this. Again, there is one more live server. So that is live server preview. So here, what is the use of this live server preview is very simple. So using the palette, I can able to open that page, but you cannot able to see the menu bar. Uh, for example, we can see in this, and I will show you those things. Now, what I will do, I have a code here. This one, I want to, for example, what I said, if I run this code, for example, like this. Hmm. Now, just I will going to run it because we have installed a live server. Just open this one and click on that, right click and click on the open server. See, now you can see here the page you are able to see, welcome to HTML tutorials, like that. And I wanted to display some content on this particular uh, page. So how to do that one? So very simple. Inside the body, take the tag is something like h1, and hit that tab space. Here you can say uh, heading tag, a header, heading 1. These are all called as header tags, h1, h2, h3, h4. These are all not case sensitive, no need to worry. And if you want to see all these tags related documentation, you can go to the MDN reference and you can able to open and you can able to check it here. You can see all the data is which is available, and you can see all those things. Okay, HTML represent the 6 levels. Nothing but what is that? Exactly from H1 to H2, there are certain levels are there. H1 is the highest one and H6 is the lowest one. So, and you can see the data like this, it will going to be appeared. For example, you can able to see this one. So this is what exactly, yeah. Now, and there is another way. So what is that? You can open the data on in Visual Code itself. How to do that one? Very simple. Control Shift P you have to do. Here, live server preview is there. Let me check it. See, here only we can able to get the data. So that is the use of live server preview. So why this is that much important? The reason is when you serve the pages and all this data, you can see all this data. 1 minute. Hmm. So all this data, suppose if I update anything inside this particular code, I have to give it to server and server will going to reload it and it will going to show on web pages. But here, what happens basically when it comes to preview? So you see, H2 I will take it, tab space, and here I will say heading 2. You can see here, it will update live. Okay, that is the beauty of this HTML live server. And for that, see how it is happening actually when you go to the web pages actually. Now you see, actually I have updated this one. Every time we have to load it. Okay, every time we have to load it. So like this, open with live or like that. Every time we have to load it so that you can able to see the data. How it is happening? For that you can able to go and you can view the page source. Not this one actually. Just to see. View the page source. Here we can see this very important thing. This script. Okay. So this data helps you to load the server, reload the server. You can see this one, reload function is there. It will going to reload the server. So that's the reason why server needs to reload. So that's why that whatever the pack extensions we have installed there, so that is live server. So live server preview means automatically it will going to be updated and we can able to see like this. And one thing you cannot able to see means see menu bar. That's you can't able to see the data is not okay. So I think fine. And one more important thing, you can able to go to inspect and you can see how much data it is consuming, how many bytes, and container, head container, body container, HTML container. So all this we can able to visualize and we can able to see how much data it is consuming, everything. So that is one beauty thing here. Okay. So these are the very important things, live server preview, all those things. How this page is serving, it's very important. This complete data we are storing into the folder. See, if you want to serve the pages means definitely you need a folder. Okay, so that folder helps you to serve the pages on web browsers. That's why every time we will going to create a folder and we will going to save the pages and we will going to run it. And one more thing, basically, if you go inside, please here. So basically what happens, basically you have to right click and you have to run this one open like this. Actually, this is the basic way to run. But instead of running like this, what we are doing, we are using the servers. What is the live servers, live preview, HTML preview servers, all these servers we are using. So that is how this data will go to the folder and from the folder, okay, live server will go to fetch it and it will go to serve on web browsers. So this is how the process will going to work and these are the things you need to know. Okay, thank you very much.